Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basalan, September 28, 2022, 3 star Sudoku. Column F, third row, we go 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Third row, fourth row, we go 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Eighth row and ninth row, we go 7. Column H also we go 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 9. 7th row, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 2 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 2, 5. 10th row, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. The 9th grade, only one number is remaining. 5 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 9. Column F, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column J, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 7th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column H, only one number is remaining. 3 is confirmed here. Third grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 5. 4th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 7, 3. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. And then 5 is confirmed here. Then column B, column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining. 3 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 2, 5. Column E, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 2. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 2. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, 4 numbers are remaining. 8, 9, 3, 6. 2nd grade, we already have 8, 9, 3. That 3 numbers can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. Then only one number is remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 8. Column C, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 6, 4. 5th row and 4th grade, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 2nd row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1st grade, Two numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Second grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 4. Column F, second row, we get 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come this cell, it will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then second grade, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Second row, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 8. Seventh row, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come this cell, it will come in another two cells. Sixth row, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column F, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Seventh row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 7. Column G and fourth grade and column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column B, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Fifth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column G, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Ninth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column G, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.